When I was about 13 and I was at Camp JCA, I met Rod. And Rod had curly black hair and beautiful blue eyes. And he played the piano and he sang. And I used to watch his hands. He had such masculine hands and they were so adept at the piano. Anyway, we would sneak out at night and fool around. Once upon a time, a young man with moonlight in his eyes put his hand in mine and said he loved me so. But that was once upon a time, very long ago. Once upon a hill, we sat beneath a willow tree, counting all the stars and waiting for the dawn. But that was once upon a time. Now the tree is gone. How the wind ruffled through his hair, how we always